This next song is a very inspirational song to me and my family, and a lot of people, whenever I perform, I usually close with this song. So I didn't expect a Hanahoa again, but we're going to close with this number, Mahalo Ke Akua. And, we're going to give our thanks to the man upstairs. Whoever your man or person is, your creator, whoever your creator is, because we all come from different backgrounds, beliefs, and all that stuff. So we're not going to settle on one creator, but your creator, and we mahalo our creators for just this time, this space and time that we all shared this evening. So mahalo again for coming out tonight, and hope you guys had a great time. Eke akua nani ka mahao nau no I hana ka honua nei me na hoku Kauila kaekili Ho'i ke ana I ko mana e mele ka Wahana o Ika hana hele Amena manu O ka lewaku Na ka hawai Na mauna ki Ho'i ke ana I ko nani e mele ai ka he nani no he nani no Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sing my soul, my Savior God, to How great thou art, how great thou art. Eke akua There it goes. Wow.